Jay Manalo has it off a pass by Miguel Vera. Masyadong maambisyon siya mag-shovel ng pass ng patalikod kanina pa. No?
So, parang
nung nag-umpisa siya sa showbiz. Bong Navarro. Fast break, 3-on-2. Shovels a pass over to Eric Fructoso, who's called for traveling. Goes back to Miguel Vera on a tap by Jimwell Stevens. 3-on-1. Ace Espinosa to Stevens for 2, missed it. Follow-up, pasok. Jay Manalo against Kier Legaspi. Natapik ang bola, nakuha ni Jeffrey Santos. Puts it out. Swak.
surprise shot mula kay Jeffrey Santos.
And a surprise reaction from Jeffrey
Legaspi, Kier. Sa kupunan ng Tide White.
Jong Hilario trying to muscle his way through. 1. Manalo for 3. And it's rare today.
Kukunti mga tira nila sa tres sa laro. Jay Manalo.
14 lamang ng Snaku Green. Kier Legaspi, sasagasa na naman.
Ooh, yes.
That one goes in.
A good sidestepping move.
Just enough strength. Hilario at midcourt, moving in. Missed the layup. Alan Dizon, another kalawit. Papunta sa gitna, nakuha ni Joko Diaz. Diaz double pump. Maybe too short. Nakaharang si Emil Sandoval sa kanya. And Hilario hooks that one in for 2 points.
Oh, it's an open game situation.
Pandes. Oh, di ba hindi mo siya naglaro kanina sa junior? Okay. Senior na nga siya. Mandy Ochoa.
Sa amateur, pwede ka maglagay hanggang... May tournament siya pwedeng hanggang...
18 ba?
18 hanggang 20, pwede ka maglagay eh. Normally, 15 ang...
Bong Navarro almost traveled there after receiving the inbound. He is fouled by fellow street boy Jong Hilario. Bigay kay Hilario dun sa malayo. Hilario moving inside and there's a foul.
And that would mean free throws for Jong Hilario. Foul given up by Bong Navarro.
Second by Hilario. Finally, star margarine, garlic flavor. Jay Manalo, nice floater.
Snaku Green.
And Jong Hilario tries to answer with a reverse.
Quickly.
Okay siya. Pat Salim na buhay. Mga tao. Oh, di ba? Magka-cartwheel pa si Bong Navarro mamaya dyan. Tsaka si Jong. Wala na. 3 seconds na lang. Naaliw na kami sa tugtog eh. Hindi na lang po. 3 seconds na lang. Maybe just one more shot but not quite.